Hello everyone. Today's question for the practice test is when configuring an incremental refresh, what data is added during the refresh process? So in Tableau, when you extract data, you have the option to schedule incremental refresh. So in this data source, we have these three tables: orders, people, and returns. Okay, if you select this option extract, you will see the edit button here. If you click on this edit button, you will have this extract data pop-up window. In this window, you can choose to extract the data by incremental refresh. So if you check this box, you have two other options. If you select the tables to refresh, here we have the three tables in this data source. So these three tables are displayed. If you want to schedule incremental refresh for the orders table, select orders. And then you need to identify the new rows using which column. So let's say the incremental refresh extracts only the new data based on the column you provide here. Okay, it will not refresh the old data. If I have given the order date here as the uh, column to identify as a new rows, okay, which means so it will not extract the previous extracted data, it will only refreshes the new data. Okay, so answer to our question is data that is new since the last refresh. I hope this tutorial is helpful to you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe.